Hi mariners, I hope you feel good. Let's learn some more words from IMO standard marine communication phrases. Damage control team, a group of crew members trained for fighting flooding in the vessel. Datum, the most probable position of a search target at a given time, or the plane of reference to which all data as to the depth on charts are referenced. Derelict, vessel still afloat, abandoned at sea. Destination, port for which a vessel is bound. Disabled, a vessel damaged or impaired in such a manner as to be incapable of proceeding on its voyage. Disembark, to go from a vessel. Distress alert, a radio signal from a distressed vessel automatically directed to an MRCC giving position, identification, course and speed of the vessel as well as the nature of distress. Distress, urgency traffic. Here, the verbal exchange of information on radio from ship to shore and/or ship to ship or aircraft about a distress, urgency situation as defined in the relevant ITU radio regulations. Draft, depth in water at which a vessel floats. Dragging of anchor. Moving of an anchor over the sea bottom involuntarily because it is no longer preventing the movement of the vessel. Dredging of anchor, moving of an anchor over the sea bottom to control the movement of the vessel. Drifting, being driven along by the wind, tide or current. Drop back, to increase the distance from the vessel ahead by reducing one's own speed. DSC, Digital Selective Calling, in the GMDSS system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.